off a Depop order, and then I'm going to Michael's to get some canvases and some new micron pins. So I just dropped off the package, and I'm so thankful that with Depop you can like do the thing where they like pay for shipping ahead of time, because every time I've been in the post office like in December, the line is like out the door, like it's crazy. But yeah, so luckily I could just like drop it off. I didn't have to do anything. But yeah, now like I said, I'm driving. So I just feel like I need to like talk to y'all because it's been a long time. But yeah, so I am home now, like the town I grew up in, I guess you could say. I hate that this is shaking, but I don't know what to do. So this semester I came home every weekend because of COVID and like my living situation. I feel like I made like literally one vlog this whole semester, and I feel like I kind of touched on that. But yeah, so it doesn't really feel like I was away this last semester. But now I'm going into my last semester of senior year, which I was actually not planning to graduate on time, so it's kind of like, I don't know, just, yeah. Wasn't expecting to graduate on time. So I haven't posted any photography stuff in a while because, well, so I do want to post some stuff that I worked on this semester, but since I've been home on break, I haven't really done any shooting, and I've just felt really limited because of the pandemic, like, of places I can go. Yeah, so that's kind of been a challenge, but, yeah, so I've been doing lino prints, which is like where you carve out the linoleum blocks, and then, also some painting, which I took my first painting class this last semester, and I ended up actually enjoying it. It was nice because it was all online, so like I could kind of do it and it was convenient, and like, I don't know, I like working from home. One of our projects was like abstraction, and I ended up, I mean, it was not like super deep or anything. Like, that's the one thing I kind of like about painting right now, is I'm not having like, I feel like with photography, the concept is so important, but with painting, it can be a little bit more relaxed, I guess. I don't know. And again, I feel like I'm much more knowledgeable in photography than painting, so I'm not claiming to be like a painter or anything, because I know so many people who like are amazing at painting, and I don't want to put myself up there with them, but I have been enjoying it. But anyway, so we had an abstraction project, and I was looking at like buildings in downtown basically, and abstracting them, and I don't know, I really enjoyed it. So now I'm trying to incorporate my interest in like place, I guess. Our relation to place is something I like study a lot in photography, so I kind of wanted to translate that into painting, especially while, again, I'm feeling kind of limited with going places. But yeah, so I'll show y'all later in this vlog something I recently painted, but I'm heading to Michael's to get canvas so that I can make more of these. I would like to sell them because, again, I am about to graduate, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do after I graduate, and I do plan on getting a real job, but it also would be nice if I could make money off of my artwork, so I'm kind of trying to, I guess, build up an inventory or something. I might make, I don't know, yeah, so I'll keep y'all updated on that, but yeah, there's that information. Okay, I forgot to just show you real fast what I got. So I found this like 8-pack of 9x12 canvases, and I'm pretty sure they were like $10, because like everything was on sale and it kind of seemed unreal, so like I don't know. But then I also got, because it was like buy one get one free for the 2-packs, so I got this like little, what was that, 4x4, and then this is 4x12, but I feel like I could do something really cool with it. And then I also got this pack of microns. I feel like someone's gonna drive by. And then this like pink, it's like for block printing, for linoleum printing or whatever, but this is not linoleum because it's supposed to be effortless carving, but I thought it'd be fun to try. And then the last thing I got was this mirror, and I'm not using it as a mirror, I really just needed like a solid, like a glass thing. So there you are. but I'm basically gonna use it for rolling paint for linoleum prints. Because I've been like just using paper, but it doesn't really help get like bubbles and stuff out. And also I end up throwing the paper away after, so it's kind of making a lot of waste. So that will be good, and I don't think it's that expensive either. But yeah, I spent like $50 and I got, what is that, like 12 canvases, micron pens, some printing stuff, a mirror. Yeah, so good sales. Hey guys, so it's been a couple days since I actually spoke to the camera, I think. But this was the sort of like prototype, I guess we'll call it, of what I'm working on. Doing these like, I guess ink drawn houses and illustrations. But yeah, so I started in my painting class this last semester working with these like organic shapes, I guess you could say. And yeah, so I'm planning to continue on with this sort of house building structure concept, I guess. But yeah, so I have my different canvas sizes. This is the really small, I think the 4x4. And then this is 4 by something. I'm not too sure how long it is, I forgot. And then this is the biggest size, but still not really big. I definitely want to work on a smaller scale. But yeah, now I'm using, I've had this for a really long time, but it's the Liquitex Basics Unbleached Titanium is the color I'm using for the background. It kind of reminds me of like unprimed canvas. But last time it turned out really brown, so I ended up adding a little bit of white, which I'm actually almost out, so that's not good. But yeah, when I did this one, like the background, I did one layer with just this one, and then I did another layer when it was like not quite dry, but almost dry, with a combination of these two. So I'm hoping I have enough white to do that for all these, which I think I do. Yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to sort of round out the video. I was editing and I realized that I didn't have a very good ending. So first off, I was going to show you all what I finished with the paintings. So, and I guess, I mean, I'm calling them paintings, but I did use Posca pens for the background, I guess, to fill it in. I got this pack on Amazon, if you're wondering. And then I'm drawing over it, so it's like kind of mixed media illustration, I guess. I don't know. If you would call it something else, let me know. But yeah, so this is the one that I showed the time lapse for, and I'm pretty happy with it. I like it way better than the like prototype one I showed y'all, because that one, it felt very flat, and I feel like the way I did the houses this time like gave it a lot more dimension. And yeah, I actually really like this one. And then this is the second one I did on that longer canvas, and I'm not quite done with it. I still need to do something with the sky. I just haven't quite figured out what yet, and I'm kind of enjoying like jumping between different pieces, so I'm not like finishing it all at once. But I did pretty much, the houses are about the same, kind of the cabin style still. And then this one I haven't done any illustration to yet, but I like how it's turning out. I really like the sky. I tried to go a little bit more detailed with like this part, and then so like the grass, the ground, or whatever, and then the sky. And I'm thinking I'll do, and then for the houses it'll obviously be more detailed, but this will be a little bit more simple for the illustration that goes on top, because it's going to be kind of hard to see anything that's up here. But yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all that. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you have any video recommendations, requests, let me know. Not to be annoying, but like, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.